Hi friends! So today we are making these beautiful dragonflies. As you can see, I will show you how to make two-colored dragonflies, of course. So here we are, and the other side, something like this. So let's do this. Our materials for today, and the pad will be very useful, so if you can, use it. Tape it to the table. Excellent. First, take the longer cord for your dragonfly body, so I'm making here violet one, and now use little part of tape to secure the ends, something like this. Okay, now take two beads and a keychain base. First go one bead, next keychain, and the second bead. Okay, now fold it in half, and we need the keychain in the middle of the cord, and now you can pin it to your coaster. Okay, take beads a little higher, this will be the size of your dragonfly, so if you like it smaller, bigger, any size, now is the chance to adjust it. Okay, and now pin under the beads. Let's move on to making knots. As you can probably see, we are going to use square knot. So first, right cord on top of the middle cords, left on top, and left going under and through the loop. Okay, tighten the first part of the knot and make sure the beads are staying up. Okay, here you can also use more pins to secure it better. Okay, left part, so second part, left cord on the middle cords, right on top, right cord going under middle cords and through the loop on the left side. Okay, secure it. Beautiful, we have first square knot. Now it's time for adding the wings. So as you can see, there is square knot, wings, square knot, wing, and more square knots. So let's take our white cord on the lighter cord and put it under middle cords. Okay, fold it in half and point it up. Now made one part, first part of the square knot, so right, left, and under. Do not tighten it now. Now we have to create first pair of wings, first loop. So take those cords, those ends, and first right cords going through the middle part of square knot. Okay, so here we have the loop and going down. Okay, and same steps on the left. So here, okay, you have two loops. In the middle of square knots we have two white cords, and now we can secure it, tighten it. Okay, don't worry if your wings are crooked, it's okay, we will fix it later. And now made second part of this knot, so from the left, right, under everything and through the loop. Okay, Now is the time to make sure that the wings are beautiful and mainly the same size. I like to make my wings about 3-ish, 3.5, maybe 4 centimeter long. And so I think we are done. But I don't like the twisty parts, so I will try to untwist it a little. Okay, I think this is enough. So next part, a pair of wings. There will be helpful pins, so create a loop on both sides. Not perfect, just any loop, later we will adjust. And now, see, my violet cord is under, and here made another square knot. Okay, so now we have to adjust the lower wings. We can unpin everything to make it easier to adjust our cords. And I like to move those white cords to the back side, okay? Okay, so now I have violet on top and white in the back, and just try to adjust again. What do you think? I think it's okay. You can slide a little up those. This is basically how it should look like, the front part and the back part, okay? If you now are perfectly happy with the wings shape and size, now we are cutting the ends. Tighten a little more this cord. No, I cannot. And now just continue making square knots till the end, as many as you can fit. Okay, I think I'm done. I maybe could add another one here, but the last part, cut the ends. Really tighten the last knot and just cut it close to the knot. You can secure it with some glue, fabric glue, but this is not necessary part. So, congratulations, your dragonfly is ready. Now I have whole rainbow here. Okay, you cannot see anything with these white wings, but oh, maybe now. And guys, thank you very much for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed it and you made some beautiful dragonfly. If you like to support me, you can buy me coffee on Buy Me a Coffee. This is like one-time donation style, so see you in the next one. Bye!